find everything inside an airport inspiring, from observing passengers coming and going and their stories and what the stories might be, to the very airport itself, looking at the lighting used, the colours, the glass. My name is Ben Craig. I am known as the Brick Builder, and I build artworks out of Lego bricks. Lego bricks for me are very colourful, they're very vibrant, they encourage creativity from all ages. Even just placing a pile of bricks on the floor in the airport, it's been amazing to see kids just get drawn to it from all different nationalities, different languages, different cultures. They can't speak the same language, but they're playing together and building Lego bricks. It encourages that state of childlike play in me, which pushes my creativity. The airport model for me is not just a symbol of the building's architecture. It's representative of all the stories that go through the airport every hour of every day. Brisbane Airport's Artist in Residency program has been a fantastic opportunity for me, not just to partake in the program, but the level of exposure and support that's given me. What a great company getting behind local artists to provide these fantastic and unique opportunities, not only for the artists but passengers as well.